Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you know if someone blocked you into your Facebook. So, without any further delays, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, simply open your Facebook application. And after opening the application, just try searching the person who was previously in your friend list. And after searching the person's name into Facebook, if it shows the person's profile, it means the person haven't blocked you. But if it doesn't show the profile of the person you are searching for most probably blocked you. And the second option here is just go to the message section. If you have older message with the person that you think blocked you, simply open that message and try going to his or her profile. And if it shows this type of interface, it means the person most probably blocked you. By following these easy steps, you can also see who blocked you into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.